I love this phone. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? An almost full moon. It's not full yet. And I got it on super telescopic mode. I love being able to get pictures of the moon that look true to my own eyes, to real life. The only problem in super telescopic mode is holding it still. It's zoomed in so much to get this good picture that it's hard to keep it steady without a tripod or even just something to set my phone on to hold it still. Isn't that gorgeous? That is the moon right now at not even 8 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. That is a waxing gibbous moon. It's a few days before the full moon at least. Beautiful, isn't it? The only problem is to be able to see the craters, I have to darken it. It's right at the edge of sunset right now. Sorry, I had to look away. It's right at the edge of sunset. So, even though it looks black, around the moon, it's not. It's actually twilight right now. But if I show you twilight, which I'm about to try to do, you'll see that it just becomes a big bright blob. Oh, see, not even that's gonna do true to real life. Here, just wait. Sorry, I have to keep looking away. I'm at the root beer stand. There we go. That's what the sky really looks like right now. A dark, deep blue, because it's twilight. But to be able to see the moon, I gotta darken everything up and put the speed down. There we go. And now we can see the moon perfectly, as perfectly as we want.